Okay, today we're forging out my first tuna sword. It's going to be a prototype. It's just a simple 1084 with a little band of nickel in the middle. I've never forged anything this big before. It barely fits in the forge, but it should work. Seems like the first squish went pretty well. And yeah, I got to draw it out. Hot, hot, hot. This is the template. Originally, I wanted to do a 36-inch because I thought that was manageable. But after talking with Jon Broida and talking with Taro Kobayashi, we decided that something around 720 millimeters or 28 inches is about the biggest that a single person can use. And this is still pretty ridiculous. So good luck to me. I'm not too concerned with like forging it. I'm a little concerned with heat treating it. It doesn't fit in my kiln or quench tank, and then figure a way how to temper it, and then grinding it and keeping it straight and thin is gonna be the tricky part. Where are my gloves? Okay, it's been soaking for a good amount of time after that first set, just to get it stuck together. Soaking at, what is it? It says 1200 C, which I think is 2200 Fahrenheit. And I've let it sit in there stewing to build some strong welds between all the layers. And I'm just taking little baby bites for this first part to make sure everything is nice and solid. I'll let it sit back in there for another while, just to let the diffusion take place. Okay, the billet is 2 length now, but I need to get it to thickness. This thing is absurd. It's like singing to me. I feel the vibrations through the handle. Crazy. Still pretty thick. Now I'll just get it to thickness from the tip to the heel. I'm gonna have a lot of material. I started with 40 cubic inches, which is 10 cubic inches more than I needed, but I just wanted to play it safe. Lo and behold, it's a lot of steel. Today is one of the cooler days of this month. It's only 101 degrees Fahrenheit. Only. Tomorrow's 109 though, so this was the day to do the forging. So I'm getting close. It's still holding temp pretty well. It says it's 815 Celsius, which is like 1650 Fahrenheit. It's a little low. I'm running out of propane, and I don't want to go buy more today. I mean, I will have to at some point this week, but I prefer to finish this billet before I run out of propane, because I'm so close. I'm so close. This is getting absurd. Whew, my God. The foot pedal is so far out right now. Okay, a little thinner, maybe a couple more heats in the middle. Oh my God. Holy shit. Well, I think I'm done for today. I got really close. It's close. Unfortunately, I wasn't really able to draw out the tang that much. That's gonna have to wait. Right now, I'm just gonna anneal the tip so that I can cut it down, because of course it's too long. The worrying thing is the press. It's making some really concerning noises. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Look how absurd that is though. It just looks so ridiculous. It was ridiculous.